sorry for this truck, but it's alright. It will live on as a 1952 International pickup. So, what we gotta do today, we gotta take this truck cab off, we gotta take the box off, and just start hacking and slashing. Let's turn this thing into a go-kart. So, yeah, let's put the time lapse on and let's get cracking.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Alright, so we pretty much have our 2003 F-150 go-karted now. It's pretty much stripped down to what it's gonna be. Let me give you guys a walk around. So something I noticed which was kind of interesting, the fact that we couldn't do a burnout here makes me think that the transmission must have low fluid. Well, if you notice, the transmission cooler is right here, and it's just kind of freelance, as well as the bottom of the rad support. So we're gonna have to look into that, because there's no rad support left. But I think what we're gonna do anyway is just kind of zip, and then we'll edit it to fit the International after. There's not much rockerage left. As you can see, I can kind of move the whole entire rocker. I think it's just held together by the top of this A-pillar and whatever's left of that back piece right there. But we got the 2 seats in her. We got the steering wheel still. Another spot that I found interesting. It looks bad, but it's not that bad. It's rotten all the way through here and cracked there, etc., etc. But looking at it, it's just a sleeve section in the frame. It slides in right here, which isn't too bad. But the nice thing is, if you notice, it's all straight, and the frame stays relatively square from front to back. So what I'm thinking is, we'll just modify the wheelbase. It's only 8 holes. Take these hangers off and scoot them down here. And then we got the old windshield there. See how many cracks I can get? Go to mount. We got that. There's a little bit of savable steel on this, so we'll be okay there. The exhaust looks all right. We can cut it there and reuse some of that. But same thing, rocker panels pretty much gone, but it's pretty much all go-karted up. Now that the truck has experienced all that trauma, I guess the real question is will it still fire up? Only one way to find out. Seatbelts engaged. Don't break the clutch. Well, there you go, guys. From one full truck to whatever you would call this, I'm going to call it go-kart. It now does a burnout, officially. I guess that last little bit of weight on the back wouldn't let it do one, but now it does, and it does one pretty good. So the next time you guys are going to see this vehicle is when we're putting the International cab on it. Something to look forward to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one really, really soon. Hey.